All right, check it out. I've got the Hero11 Black. We're going on a trip soon, and I wanted to pick up a newer model of the GoPros. We actually need to have two, and I want to take my two newest ones. This will be one, and then we're going to take the 8 that we have. But anyways, we only want to take two, and I wanted to add a new one to the collection. So I'm going to take this thing out of the box, let you see everything that this thing comes with. All right, you got your, typical GoPro stuff layout here. This, comes with all the manuals. It comes with the fancy little cardboard insert. This is a USB-A to USB-C, adapter. That's going to be to charge it or get data off the camera. It does come with this little sticky mount and comes with the battery. Now, I'm not sure if 11 is compatible with all the other batteries. I believe it is. Well, at least back to maybe 6 or something. Let's see, I have a generic GoPro. Nope, it is not. So the 11 is not compatible with, I think all the way up to the 10 is what I use these for. I know it works in this one works in my 8 and my 5. So they went with a little bit bigger battery. That's okay. You just have to get different batteries for the 11 if you already have sets for your other ones. This is a, nice little GoPro adapter here that, snaps into this one. So that can snap into there. It does come with one of the screw ends. And then of course you get the camera, and then that's basically everything that's in there. Camera, you got the protectors already on it. This one feels a little bigger than my other ones. Let's see, you've got the front screen, which looks really nice. Got the lens. Yeah, I like that. I like the fact that they have the built-in mounts down here. Makes it a lot easier than trying to find a mount somewhere. And then you don't have to have a case, of course, because they're waterproof, right? So now it is its own case, and you are good to go just from this. I do like that they did that. They should have went with that from the beginning. I do like that it has these parts here where you can clamp something down on it. There it goes. So anyways, there's the massive battery section. There's your USB-C right here, and there is your micro SD port. And again, this is waterproof, so it's gonna have all the rubber seals on it. Man, that does snap really nice and tight. Here's the mode button. Here's your standard, power button, and your camera or action button, I guess you call it. And that's it. Looks like mic hole here. Looks really nice. Cool looking camera. I am ready to use it, and I'll make another video when we get this thing into action. But that's everything that comes in the box. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.